What's going on? Back again. It's the Braap man. Today we have a 1987 Honda XL250r. Barn find. Needs a little bit of TLC, not too bad. Sound check on the super track. Let's give her a kick. She idles a little high. It needs an adjustment. It needs minor adjustments. So we'll have to go ahead and get her straightened out. That was a quick cold start. Sound check of the super trap. Sounded pretty mean. Not too bad, not too bad. Gonna clean it up real quick. I'll be back with another video. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. And beautiful weather today. Nice out. Trying to clear out the garage a little bit. Clean it. Tidy up a little bit maybe, if we can. But we got the 400EX out, being cleaned. We got Alonzo cleaning the 400. You can see him up there. He's cleaning his 400EX. So yeah, man, nice weather. Nice weather today. And I'm gonna clean this one too. This 1995 DR 650. Beautiful bike. I'm gonna detail this, clean it up. And the KX500 is nasty. You can see I've been having some fun with this because it's definitely got mud on it. Have not washed it this year at all. I feel like I'm kind of neglecting it because it's I usually keep up on it, but yeah, man, things definitely got some mud on it, which is good because I'm having fun on it, and that means I'm definitely riding it, which is good. So I'll be back with another video after I clean this up. Like and subscribe. Thanks for all the subscribers. I appreciate it. You can also follow me on Instagram at BraapManOfficial. And see you guys soon. Peace and hair grease. See you.